Welcome friends, let us create a small game, and in this game we will use a balloon. For this I am going to first choose the backdrop. In the backdrop let me use the sky, and here I am going to choose a sprite, a balloon, and we will glide the balloon in the random positions for forever. And whenever the user click on the balloon, it will change the color, change the costumes and make a sound. And also we were going to count how much number of time we click on the balloon. Now for this, first I will use the event when flag click, and I will choose a motion and glide. So it will glide my balloon to the random position, as you can see. But it is only running for one time. Let me go to the the controls, and let me use the forever loop. So here when I click on it, it will glide the balloons in the random positions. Now I want to check the counts, and also I want to check when I can click on the balloon. If you choose the mouse pointer, it will move the balloon to the mouse pointers like this. But I will go with the random position. Now I am going to create a variables that can measure my count whenever I click on the balloon. For this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for the variables, and from the variables I'm going to make a variables, let's say score, or count, let's say count. Now what is going to be happen, whenever I click on this balloon, it will count. For this I'm going to go for the events and make a drag and drop of when this sprite click. So how we can do this? Let me go to the events and let me use when the sprite click. So here whenever the sprite click, I need to score the count. Just go to the variables and set the count to 0 at the not set, because it will always set it. So just change the count to +1. And as you can see, when I run it, when I click on the sprite, it is counting. See? Let me click. See, it is counting to 1. Let me do it once again, as you can see. So in this way, my friend, you can use the click by using when sprite click and changing the count. This is my very small click game. Now let's add the sound. To add the sound, go to the sound and use play sound pop. Now let's see how it is doing. After this, I'm going to add the costume. So whenever we click on the balloon, it will make a sound, it will count it and sound, and it will change the costume. Let's see how it will be. So in this way you can create a very small click game where you can count the number of times balloon is clicked. Try to create some more balloon in your application and please try it out. Thanks for watching it.